Today, I'll walk you through how to link Xero to your bank account, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect your bank account to Xero so you can streamline your financial management and keep your business running smoothly. Let's get started. First, sign into your Xero account. Think of this as entering the control room of your financial spaceship. It's where all the magic happens. Once you're in, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero often updates its interface to enhance user experience. Next, click on the Accounting tab. This is like opening the main menu of your financial toolkit. From here, select Bank Accounts. This section is your gateway to managing all your financial transactions in one place. Now click Add Bank Account. This step is similar to setting up a new contact in your phone. It's where you begin the connection process. You'll then need to search for your bank. Type in the name of your bank and watch as a list of options appears. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, as Xero is fetching the most up-to-date information. Once you see your bank on the list, select it. This is like choosing your destination on a GPS. After selecting your bank, you'll be presented with the available connection options. Take a moment to review these options. It's important to understand the different ways you can link your bank account to Xero, ensuring you choose the method that best suits your needs. At this point, we'll stop before completing the actual bank connection. This is a crucial pause, allowing you to double-check everything before proceeding. Remember, linking your bank account is a significant step in managing your finances efficiently. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.